Hey guys, Brian Wells here with Ship My Cards. Just want to go through a shipment request, kind of how-to video for everyone that's out here. So the very first thing we want to go through is a couple things. First thing is we only load 50 items at a time. That way it loads a little bit quicker. So if you have more than 50 items, make sure that you scroll to the bottom first and you can load the rest of your items up. So just make sure all your items are loaded up first. Second thing, a big note on is if you do ship all, it's only going to ship the items that are available. So there might be some items that are still in transit from Oregon to Arizona that it will not select, as well as any items like this that you might have for sale on the marketplace or that you recently bought on the marketplace might not come over either. So just make sure that they're either not for make sure that they're not for sale and that everything's selected that you would like. Um, so if you do select just the one or two items that you're looking to ship home, then you could go either right here to the truck or over here to request shipment. Either way will take you to the right spot. From there, you're going to have your address that you would like to ship to. If your address is not already there, or if it's your first shipment, you can hit the select button right here or the add address on the previous screen. So select, and that this is add address, and this is where you're going to type in whatever address you would like to ship to. So once you fill that in, phone number does not save. So make sure we put our phone number. Make sure the email address is up to date. So phone number is required for all FedEx. So we definitely require it. Pick your carrier options, whether you need signature or do not need signature. Just note if it is over 500 insurance, signature will always be required, even if you don't put this here. You have a standard queue or rush shipment. Rush shipment will be $1 per item, but it gets your shipment out in the same or next business day. The next is just for your shipping quotes. So any of the dimensions of the box or box size is all going to be based on what you expect it to weigh or thing. If you do not know the correct weight, it's just for estimate for you guys. So you can leave it at 0. If you put 0, it's always going to do 1 pounds and it'll let you get quotes. So if you have FedEx, you'll get what the FedEx cost will cost. If you're trying to go USPS, priority mail, first class mail, anything like that, it will pull up those quotes for you as well. So just based off of what you estimate the box size or weight to be, will be how accurate your shipping quote will be. From there, you just want to select which option you like. So if I want to do FedEx priority, I'm going to do FedEx ground or FedEx priority overnight. Kind of pay your cost there. On the very bottom, on the declared value here, this is where you declare how much value you need for your customs. So if your value is worth $1,000, you're going to put $1,000 here. This is what's going to show on your label to your customs if you're shipping internationally. In the USA, is not as important, but it's going to be on there. On the bottom, you have the option whether you want to add insurance. If you're adding insurance, say I want to add $1,000 of insurance, even though I only declare $500, this is still okay. On the package, it will show $500, but your insurance will be covered for your package will be covered for up to 1,000. So we'll add the insurance fee. We have a new awesome option for an Apple ID tag. What this is a GPS tracker that will go inside your package. You will not see the GPS at all times, but it will be tracked under the Ship My Cards account, Apple account. And then once it arrives to you, we would remove it from our Apple account and you'll be able to use it for your Apple account. So if you do that, that's a $30 cost. Simply, if you want your invoice inside your package or not. Then the last thing is on upload documents. If you have your own invoice you want to upload or you're sending out to grading or anything like that, you can upload up to 2 files here. So you can upload the tracking number or your own postage label or whatever you might have for that. And then last thing is if you need to add any additional supplies before you ship out. So it gives you the option to add some of our slab guards or any of our top loaders, anything like that. If you need to add a pack of top loaders, you would buy it right here for $3. Slab mags are a $5 discount if you buy it at checkout. And then right here, you're going to hit submit. It's as easy as that. Thanks, guys.